Tired of spending too much time in the kitchen? These viral Amazon kitchen gadgets make cooking effortless and take the stress out of everyday meals. From quick prep to easy cleanup, they're designed to simplify everything you do. All the links are in the description below. Standing over the stove just to keep stirring gets old fast. This automatic pan stirrer takes over, mixing your sauces, soups, and porridge while you do something else. Just set the timer, pick a speed, and let it keep everything moving so nothing sticks or burns. The heat-resistant legs are safe for non-stick pans and pop off easily for quick cleaning. Rechargeable and hands-free, it turns constant stirring into a one-button job. Breakfast doesn't have to be slow or messy anymore. This compact electric griddle heats up fast so you can cook pancakes, eggs, and more in minutes. The non-stick surface means your food slides right off and cleanup takes almost no effort. An indicator light lets you know when it's ready, so there's no guesswork. Small, simple, and easy to store, it's perfect when you just want a quick, no-fuss meal. Your coffee deserves better than going cold halfway through. This smart heated mug keeps every sip at the perfect temperature for hours, so you're never rushing to finish. You can pick preset modes for coffee or tea, or fine-tune the heat exactly how you like it with simple touch controls and a clear LED display. The double wall insulation keeps it hot inside while staying comfortable to hold. And with auto shutoff and a long-lasting battery, it's as smart as it is convenient. Snacks on the go usually turn into a messy mix, but not with this. This chilled snack box keeps everything fresh, cool, and perfectly separated wherever you take it. It has multiple compartments for fruits, dips, or treats, plus a built-in ice pack that keeps things cold without turning watery. The tight seal means no spills in your bag, and the hidden handle makes it easy to carry. From road trips to picnics, you stay organized and ready to snack anytime. Twisting open a stubborn jar shouldn't feel like a full workout. This electric jar opener does the hard part for you with a smart power clamp that grips the lid tight automatically. You just press a button, give a light twist, and it breaks the seal without straining your hands. It adjusts to fit everything from small jars to wide lids, so you're covered for almost anything in your kitchen. Safe, steady, and easy to use, it even comes with a gripper pad for extra hold when things get slippery. Smoothies shouldn't feel like a whole production. This powerful blender crushes ice and frozen fruit with ease, giving you smooth drinks, sauces, and soups in seconds. You just press a button and let it handle the rest with a timed blend cycle that gets it right every time. The blending jar doubles as a drinking cup, so you can sip straight from it and skip extra dishes. Strong, simple, and easy to clean, it fits right into your daily routine. Your kitchen counter deserves to look as good as it functions. This metal fruit bowl keeps your fruits, veggies, and snacks neatly in one place without feeling cluttered. The breathable mesh lid lets air flow through, helping everything stay fresh while keeping dust away. It's sturdy enough for heavier items, but still compact enough to fit easily on your counter. Clean, simple, and versatile, it doubles as both storage and a stylish display. Grating ingredients usually means mess everywhere, but this one keeps things clean and simple. This box-style grater shreds cheese, vegetables, garlic, or ginger straight into a built-in container so your counter stays neat. You can switch between fine or coarse grating depending on what you're making, from toppings to meal prep. The compact design saves space in your kitchen but still handles everyday cooking with ease. Strong, practical, and easy to use, it makes prep feel way less annoying. Drizzling honey usually ends up sticky and messy, but this fixes that instantly. This glass honey dispenser gives you smooth, controlled pouring with a simple press, so you get just the right amount every time. When you release it, the flow stops immediately, so there are no annoying drips on your table. It also seals tightly to keep your honey fresh and ready to use. Compact, clean, and easy to refill. It makes sweetening your food feel effortless. Trash cans don't usually get attention, but this one actually makes your kitchen feel more organized. This dual compartment bin separates trash and recycling in one clean setup, so everything stays neat and sorted without extra effort. The step-on lid opens smoothly and closes quietly, keeping things hygienic and hassle-free. It also helps control odors, so your kitchen stays fresher for longer. Strong, sleek, and practical, it turns a messy corner into something surprisingly tidy. Your fridge is about to get a cute little upgrade you didn't know you needed. These cherry blossom-inspired clips look like tiny pink flowers, but they do way more than just sit pretty. You can use them to seal snack bags so your chips, bread, or treats stay fresh for longer. The built-in magnets let you stick them right onto your fridge so you never lose them in a drawer. It's decoration and everyday usefulness wrapped into one simple little design. Butter usually slows you down, but this little tool flips the whole experience. It's a handheld butter and cheese slicer that turns solid blocks into clean, even squares in seconds. You just place your butter inside and press, and the stainless steel wire does the cutting for you. It even gives you simple portion markings so you can control exactly how much you use. Ever tried carrying a hot dish and felt like you're one step away from disaster? This simple strap fixes that in seconds. It wraps around your pot, crock pot, or casserole dish and locks everything tightly so nothing slides or spills while you move it. You just stretch it over, secure it, and you're ready to go. It's flexible, heat-resistant, and reusable, so you can use it again and again. Cooking usually feels like a guessing game, but this air fryer takes the stress completely out of it. It comes with a smart temperature probe that checks your food from the inside, so you always know when it's perfectly done. You just set it and let it handle the rest. It heats up fast and reaches high temperatures for crispy, golden results without drowning your food in oil. With multiple cooking modes, you can air fry, dehydrate, or slow cook all in one compact machine. Your toaster just got a serious upgrade, and it's way more than breakfast now. This 3-in-1 machine flips between a toaster, grill, and panini press, so you can go from crispy toast to hot sandwiches in seconds. You just switch modes, and it handles everything with even heat from edge to edge. It has multiple cooking functions too, so you can toast, bake, reheat, or grill without extra appliances cluttering your counter. The wide slot fits thick slices or bagels easily, and cleanup is simple thanks to the removable crumb tray. If you've ever noticed cloudy glasses ruining a nice drink moment, this little machine fixes that instantly. It spins your glassware at high speed, while soft microfiber brushes clean and polish it at the same time. You just place the glass on it, press start, and it does all the work for you. It removes water spots, fingerprints, and stains, leaving everything crystal clear and ready to serve. Your cooler just leveled up from bulky and annoying to something actually smart. This collapsible hard-sided cooler gives you full-size storage when you need it, then folds down small when you don't. You can pack up to 64 cans inside and still keep everything cold for up to 48 hours, so your drinks stay icy all day and night. It sets up in seconds and has a removable waterproof liner, so cleaning it after a messy trip is super easy. Most drink setups at parties either look messy or get watered down fast, but this dispenser fixes both problems in one simple design. It holds a large amount of juice, punch, or water, and keeps everything looking clean and organized while you serve. Inside, there's a special ice core that chills your drink without diluting the flavor, so every sip stays fresh and cold. You just fill it, place it on the stand, and use the smooth tap to pour without spills or dripping. It's a simple way to make any gathering feel more put together without extra effort. Breakfast usually means juggling pans, splatter, and way too much cleanup, but this electric griddle changes all of that. It gives you a large flat cooking surface so you can make pancakes, eggs, bacon, or burgers all at the same time without crowding. It heats up fast and spreads heat evenly, so everything cooks properly instead of half burnt and half raw. A foldable shield helps block grease splatter, keeping your counter much cleaner while you cook. Your morning coffee routine just got way more flexible without taking over your counter. This compact single-serve machine lets you brew with pods or fresh grounds, so you can switch between convenience and stronger flavor whenever you want. You can choose different cup sizes, from a quick small cup to a full travel mug, depending on how your day looks. It even comes with a built-in frother, so you can turn regular coffee into creamy lattes or cappuccinos at home. Breakfast feels a lot more exciting when you can flip your way to perfect waffles. This rotating waffle maker cooks your batter evenly on both sides, so you get that crispy outside and soft, fluffy inside every time. You just pour in the mix, rotate it, and let the heat do the magic while it cooks evenly from top to bottom. With adjustable browning levels, you can make your waffles light and soft or deep golden and crunchy, depending on your mood. Cooking a full meal usually means multiple pots, different timings, and a lot of stress. But this electric steamer simplifies everything. It uses 3 stacked layers, so you can cook veggies, seafood, and rice all at the same time without flavors mixing. You just add water, place your food inside, and let the steam do the work. It heats up fast and creates even steam that keeps everything tender and juicy instead of dry. With a simple touch panel and preset modes, you can cook a full meal with just one tap and no guesswork. Ever wished you could actually see your toast getting perfect instead of guessing the timing? This sleek toaster comes with a clear viewing window, so you can watch your bread brown exactly the way you like it. You just slide in your slices, choose your setting, and let it do the work while you keep an eye on progress in real time. It gives you even toasting with adjustable levels, so you get anything from lightly warm to deep golden crunch.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.